In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an opt-in form in Flodesk. This process is a great way to engage with your audience by collecting their information seamlessly, and I'll guide you through each step in the next few minutes. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Flodesk account. This is your hub for building and managing all of your email marketing efforts. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate over to the Forms section. This is where the magic happens, as you will have the ability to create beautiful opt-in forms. Now, let's move on to actually creating your form. Go ahead and click on Create Form. This is your chance to really make your form reflect your brand's aesthetic. So take your time and choose a template that matches your style. Flodesk offers a variety of templates, making it easy for you to find one that's just right. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize it. Personalization is key here, so change up the colors, modify the text, and add any fields you need. These fields can be anything from names to emails, depending on what information you want to collect from your subscribers. Make it engaging. Consider adding a compelling call to action that resonates with your audience. After your form is styled and ready, you'll want to consider setting up an automation. This step is crucial for maintaining engagement with your subscribers. You might want to send a warm welcome email as soon as someone subscribes. An automation makes this seamless. Head to the Automations tab where you can set a trigger to automatically send an email whenever someone fills out your form. Choosing a follow-up action is also important. You'll need to decide on a thank you page or a redirect after someone hits the submit button on your form. This is a great opportunity to further enhance their experience, whether by offering more value or simply showing gratitude for their subscription. Finally, once everything is set up just the way you want it, it's time to publish your form. This step is exciting because it means your form is ready to go live. You can grab the shareable link or embed code and place it on your website, social media, or anywhere else your audience is likely to see it. And that's it. By following these steps, you can create an effective opt-in form that not only looks great but also captures valuable information from your audience. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I look forward to seeing all the creative forms you come up with using Flodesk.